And we're taking Mason for a walk with my mom's boyfriend and his dog Mason.
I'm gonna take a poop.
That's exactly what Ruben would do if he was on a walk. Just smelling around.
Yeah, he smell the other dogs. Well, they use the bathroom. It might be females. You never know.
What about here? What's this place supposed to be?
Oh, that is. You gotta read the You gotta read the things to ride in the front. They had something. It tells you what that building is. Where is it?
Mom, you want to come with me?
It tells you what that building is.
Go this way?
Yeah. No, we already passed.
When we come out, we look at it.
Dang it. What about right here?
You didn't tighten your thing. You want me to tighten it too?
Yes, please.
Put these down.
Rodney, what are these things?
Benches.
What do they do here, I mean?
What do you mean? You sit on it. Sorry, what do you do on a bench?
You sit on it? Is this like a school? I mean, is this like a
What
field?
is this right
exactly
here?
what you do.
Is this a field trip area?
Oh, it's just
That's what you do.
when you want to rest.
That's what it's for.
From the
Eat
trail.
lunch, you can eat lunch, chill.
You
You know what I
bought
mean?
some sandwiches and a picnic. Go.
Carolyn and my dad would do better. They had excitement.
You don't like this area?
Well,
We've walked here before. Remember there's going to be that little waterfall?
yeah.
Once we get down here, we're going to the left. Come back. We're not going to get lost. You ain't got no keys in his pocket.
We're relying on you, Mason.
You don't think if you let him out your house and he runs off,
Yeah, he would.
come back?
Yeah, he might come back with KBs and things.
See how Alvin came back here meowing at the front door. Like,
He probably had a traumatic experience.
yeah, he did.
You know what?
Duh! Something flew in my face. Ooh. Smooth rocks. Hey, Mason.
You get my feet, so I know you want my body. That's what I pay for my work. You look at my face.
I didn't get your face. A little stream. Do people go fishing around the area, Rodney?
Not walk over there.
Just for housekeeping purposes, parents, we do not have a PAC meeting in December because the holidays to coordinate everybody. Let's see where I can't remember when Scout Book scheduled the next meeting.
8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Dispose of charcoal in designated containers.
So they'll automatically schedule the next meeting for the 28th of November, which I think is Thanksgiving weekend, and that's a horrible idea. So I'm going to move that. I'm going to move that unless anyone has
Oh, there it is, just like Zulu would do.
You know, Zula would be barking.
Yeah, hopefully you know it's going to be.
He wants to walk on the nature. He want to walk on it. You gotta tear that. The dog's still looking at him too.
Yeah.
Y'all need to watch the front of me or behind me. If he's gonna make periodic stops, he's gonna make stops.
To make sure we're all here.
No, just make sure y'all not in each other's way.
You're gonna be exhausted after this walking. This is perfect then. Nice little relaxing walk while we exercise. It's good.
Even though I'm staying still, I have to get the scenery.
Come in.
Oh,
I'm thirsty. Oh. Such a good daddy.
Lucy has a portable dog bowl.
Man, Ruben, Mesa. I have more in my pocket. You good?
Hey, Mom, look, a tree bridge. Do you think it's sturdy to walk? Huh? A tree bridge.
Don't
Do you
go
think
over
it's
the
sturdy
deep
to
part. Just right here and back.
A tree bridge.
But don't go over the deep part. Just go over the first little part right here. You see it? It's another one up here coming up.
That's a regular bridge. A what?
No.
I have a what?
Your dad gave you those brass knuckles?
Give them to your mama.
You still have them, right?
Well, yes. This looks sturdier, the tree bridge.
Well, that is way higher, and you're gonna break your fucking ankles if you fall out that tree. And you're gonna fall on some rock.
Do fit? Huh.
Your shit ain't gonna land evenly.
Does he see the water? Do you think he'll drink some of that water?
Ooh, a little waterfall. Spring house.
There you go.
You can do it, Mom. Okay, that's good.
You better be careful. Come on, let me take a picture of you and your mom.
Isn't that beautiful?